All right, we've got two clocks. We've got one in the gym and one in the office. And the clock in the gym runs 1 minute fast each hour. Okay, so that's saying that each hour, 60 minutes, instead of running 60 minutes, it's running 61 minutes. Okay, and the clock in the office runs 2 minutes slow each hour. Okay, so rather than 60 minutes, now it's 2 minutes. It's only going 58 minutes for when the actual time elapsed is 60 minutes. Okay, and on Wednesday, the clock in the gym shows 7:20 a.m. So this clock over here shows 7:20 a.m. So this must be the gym clock. All right. And the clock in the office shows 6:20. So this is 6:20. So this must be the office. And the question is, at what correct time on Tuesday were the clocks last synchronized? And we'll assume they were synchronized to the correct time. All right. Well, okay. The key to this problem is to recognize that these clocks are diverging by 3 minutes every hour. Okay. So 3 minutes per hour is the rate at which they're diverging. And so over how many hours, we'll call it x, over x hours, they diverge by a whole hour. Okay, so because the difference between 6:20 and 7:20 is a whole hour, so that's 60 minutes. Okay, so how many hours does it take for it to diverge by 60 minutes if it's diverging by 3 minutes every hour? Well, you can see that that would be 20 hours, right? Okay, so over that 20-hour time span, what happened? The clock in the gym ran fast 1 minute each hour. So it ran fast by 20 minutes. Okay, so it's about 7:20. So this should actually read 7 o'clock. That was the actual time. And the clock in the office was slow by 2 minutes each hour. So that's a total of 40 minutes. And so we're essentially 40 minutes from 7 o'clock. So you can see that that also agrees with what we got before, that the actual time is 7 o'clock. All right, so now we know it's 7 o'clock right now. That's the actual time. And we want to know at what correct time on Tuesday were the clocks last synchronized. All right. Well, we know it took 20 hours, right? So 20 hours is essentially 24 hours minus 4 hours, right? So 24 hours ago, it was 7 o'clock, right? But that would be 24 hours ago, but wasn't really 24 hours ago. It was 20 hours ago. So we had to add 4 hours in there. So we get 11 a.m. Okay, so 20 hours ago, it was 11 a.m. And that would have been when the clocks were last synchronized to the correct time.